In this section of the course, we're going to be covering the initial setup of our Microsoft Excel document for our personal budget. We're going to do things like set up the initial tables, get a little bit of formatting out of the way, and really just get basic structural elements in place. Now, before we do that, I want to make sure that you've opened up the exercise file that I'm going to be using, and if you'd like to, that you can use to follow along with me. So this file is called Personal Finances-01, and it's a Microsoft Excel document. Now, if you haven't downloaded this file yet, it's 2 lectures earlier. Look for the course exercise files, download, and get this file downloaded on your system and open it up in front of you. So here's just a really quick tour of what this file currently contains. So again, it's the Personal Finances-01 document. And in here, you can see that we have a few different worksheets. We've got one called Expense Tracker, one for Monthly Expense Dashboard, a Loan Payment Calculator, Investment Calculator, and one called Data Tables. Now, the Monthly Expense Dashboard is currently empty. Nothing on it. Well, that's because this is the worksheet that we're going to build out ourselves. The Expense Tracker is also empty because we're going to build a nice little table right here to track all of our monthly expenses. The Data Tables worksheet is also empty because we're going to talk about data tables and we're going to build some of our own. The Loan Payment Calculator, though, does have some basic structure here. It's got a couple of tables, it's got a couple of formulas, places for us to input values, but it is missing one key component, the monthly payment formula. So we're going to talk about the payment function built into Excel, and we'll see how to use it here to help us calculate a monthly payment based on some set terms, like the principal amount, the interest rate, and the term. So we'll get into that here shortly. The investment calculator also has some basic structure in there, some tables, some formulas, some input cells, but it's missing again one key element. In this case, we need the final amount calculation. So here we're going to talk about a pre-built function inside of Excel called the future value function, or FV, and we'll get into that here shortly. So for now, make sure you've downloaded the file, Personal Finances-01, get it open in front of you, and let's go to the Monthly Expense Dashboard worksheet. This is where we're going to start building out the basic structure for our budget template. Let's get going.